Video from today about Bitcoin. In today's segment, we will be taking a closer look at Litecoin, also known as LTC. Currently, Litecoin is ranked at number 12 in terms of market capitalization, with a value of approximately $6.11 billion. Over the past 24 hours, it has experienced a trading volume of around $243 million today. We will be discussing some intriguing price action for Litecoin, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Without any further delay, let us shift our focus to the chart. For Litecoin versus USD on the 4-hourly time frame. For this analysis, we will be using Coinbase as our data source, as we have observed there is a compelling case for a bullish outlook on Litecoin, primarily due to the fact that the bulls have managed to hold the level of 82, specifically 82.25. As long as the price of Litecoin continues to hold this level, our bullish sentiment remains intact. In fact, we may even witness an impulsive push towards the 200 EMA at the 88 region. This potential push could result in a 6% increase in value for Litecoin. However, it is important to note that we should anticipate some consolidation in the near future, possibly continuing until the weekend. When we look more closely at the indicators, we can see that Litecoin is currently consolidating around the zero list. There are some worries about Luna Classic's general bearish trend, which could last until next week market structure. But there are some things to consider that could be bullish. First, some recent proposals have been passed, such as the return of used community funds and the burning of 100 of those funds. While these may not have an effect on the price, it's good to see governance in action. However, Bitcoin is the most important thing for the price of Luna Classics right now. If Bitcoin continues to rise and breaks above $30,300, the price of Luna Classics could increase as well. Luna Classic must close above the resistance level on the 4-hour time frame within the next 48 hours to support this bullish scenario. If it fails to do so, it may indicate that Luna Classic is not powerful enough to have a bullish scenario. ISA attempts, but much depends on how Bitcoin performs and how the price fluctuates in the coming days. Hello, and welcome back to the program. Today's 12th ranked cryptocurrency is Litecoin, which has a market capitalization of approximately $6.11 billion. Recent Litecoin activity has been quite intriguing, so sit back, relax, and appreciate the ride. Let's take a closer look at the charts. In particular, we'll be looking at the Litecoin/USD pair on the 4-hour time frame using data from Coinbase. We've been seeing a bullish case for Litecoin, especially since the bulls have been able to keep the price above the 82.25 level. As long as Litecoin stays above this, our bullish sentiment is strong, and we expect a possible impulsive push towards the 200 EMA around 88, which could lead to a 6 rise in Litecoin's price. However, it's important to note that we might experience some consolidation in the next few days, which could last until the weekend. This consolidation phase shouldn't be a surprise, since our indicators show a consolidation period at the zero level on the cloud indicator. This means that Litecoin is likely to keep moving sideways as long as the 82 level holds by the beginning of the next week. This consolidation phase should still be going on, and we can expect an impulsive push towards the 80 to 80 region. To sum up, our analysis shows that Litecoin is currently in a consolidation phase, with potential bullish momentum to come. If you like our insights, please like, subscribe, and join us for daily updates on Litecoin. Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's Crypto Movie. Today, we will discuss Litecoin, also known as LTC, which is currently ranked 12th. Litecoin has a market capitalization of approximately $6.11 billion. And about $243 million worth of Litecoin has been traded in the past 24 hours. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this fascinating video. Now let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of Litecoin by taking a closer look at its price action. For this analysis, we'll be examining the Litecoin versus the US dollar chart on a 4-hour time frame. Above this level, our bullish outlook remains the same, and we could even see a 6% spike toward the 200 EMA exponential moving average in the 88 area. However, it is important to note that at this point, we should expect a period of consolidation. This consolidation phase is likely to last through the weekend, with a possible breakout the following week. The Z-score has indicated an overbought region, indicating that Litecoin's price is likely to decline. With a market capitalization of $6.11 billion, Litecoin is the 12th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. In the last 24 hours, it traded for approximately $243 million. So grab a cup of tea and settle in to watch this informative video. The information we will use comes from Coinbase. As the market continues to evolve, it is important to determine if this increase indicates that now is a good time to buy Bitcoin. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, discussed how he sees a growing trend of large companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor also emphasized that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. Saylor stated that there were three CEO of MicroStrategy discussed the growing trend of large companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor emphasized that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He stated that as Bitcoin becomes more prevalent in society, various ways to use it will emerge, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. There are three primary reasons why the Bitcoin space requires custodians and technical governance. Saylor concurred that, from a political standpoint, certain government structures may necessitate the use of third-party guardians. From a technical standpoint, he understood that Layer 3 third parties such as Bank of America and Apple helped make mobile crypto transfers possible. Some people, such as the elderly or those who want to ensure the safety of their assets for future generations, may be better off giving their possessions to someone else, according to Saylor. Saylor believes that Bitcoin will have a variety of ways to integrate, and that the market will figure out the optimal mix of institutional and self-sovereign methods. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate because the Bitcoin market will determine the optimal mix of institutional and self-sovereign methods. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor